Hello, students. I am Ma'am Hazel Daliva, your teacher in TVE 7 Technical Drafting. Okay, class, before we start to discuss our lesson for today, let's have a review first. What was our past lesson all about? Very good, class. Our past lesson was about the shop safety rules and practices. What are the important practices that must be observed in the work setting? Yes, that's great. We must observe the safety precautions. What else? That's correct. We must observe and practice the value of respect. Another answer, who can give? Yes, very good idea. We must observe and practice the proper disposal of waste. Okay, class, try to observe the following pictures. All you have to do is to identify the flags of the different countries and give the shapes and symbols used. What country does this flag represent? Yes, very good. It is the flag of Japan. What are the shapes or symbols used in this flag? That's correct. It has a shape of circle and rectangle. What do you think are the tools and instruments used to draw this flag? Yes, that's great. The tools and instruments used to draw this flag are compass, T-square, and triangle. What country does this flag represent? Very good, class. This flag represents the country of Switzerland. What are the shapes or symbols used in this flag? That's great. This flag has a symbol of cross and a shape of rectangle. What do you think are the tools and instruments used to draw this flag? Yes, that's great. The tools and instruments used to draw this flag are T-square and triangle. What country does this flag represent? Yes, that's correct. It is the flag of the Philippines. What are the shapes or symbols used in this flag? Very good, class. This flag has a shape of star, circle, rectangle, and triangle. What do you think are the tools and instruments used to draw this flag? Yes, that's great. The tools and instruments used to draw this flag are compass, protractor, triangle, and T-square. What country does this flag represent? Yes, that's great. It is the flag of Vietnam. What are the shapes or symbols used in this flag? Very good, class. It has a shape of star and rectangle. What do you think are the tools and instruments used to draw this flag? That's correct. The tools and instruments used to draw this flag are protractor, triangle, and T-square. Unlocking of difficulties. Drafting. It is the study of communication of ideas through lines, symbols, codes, drawings, sketches, charts, graphs, and maps. Next, we have tools, a handheld device that aids in accomplishing a task. Class, I will show you a video presentation related to the lesson. All you have to do is to watch the video and take note the important things to remember. After watching the video, I will ask you some questions. Class, are you ready? Please watch the video. Class, what can you say about the video? Yes, very good. It shows on how to plan or design a building or a house. What do you call a person or professional who plans and draw building? Yes, that's correct. It is an architect. What are the tools and instruments used by the architect? That's great. The architect used a pencil, T-square, triangle, technical pens, triangular scale, eraser, and coloring pens. Class, can you create a plan or design of a house or building without the use of drafting tools and instruments? Yes, very good, class. We cannot create a plan or design of a house without the use of the different drafting tools and instruments. Class, what are the advantages of using the different drafting tools and instruments in making a plan or design of a house? Very good, class. They can make our work easier and faster. They can also help us to make an accurate plan or design of a house. So our lesson for today is about drafting tools and materials, its uses or functions. Drafting tools. They refer to the set of tools that are used in all drafting works or activities, especially the activity requires mechanical presentation. The following are the common drafting tools. First, we have T-square. It is a drawing instrument used when making horizontal lines. It is also used for guiding triangles when drawing vertical lines. It is made up of wood, plastic, or combination of both. There are three types of T-square. First, we have Fixed. The head is fastened to the blade. It is used for ordinary work. Second type of T-square is movable head or adjustable head. It has one fixed and one adjustable head and used only for occasional drawing. Another type of T-square is detachable head or removable head. It is designed for comfort when carrying the T-square. Next, we have triangles. It is a three-sided ruler which typically has two equal sides meeting at a 90-degree angle and to a third side at 45, 30, including 60-degree angles. It is usually made of plastic and comes in different sizes. If in use, the base of the triangle must rest on the blade of the T-square. Drawing a line always starts from the point near the base going upward. The commonly used triangles are 30 degrees by 60 degrees triangle and 45 degrees by 45 degrees triangle. Next, we have triangular scale. This is a tool generally used when reproducing a drawing in an enlarged or reduced form to some regular proportion. The architect's scale is the most commonly used for general drawing. Its main function is to reproduce the measurements of an object in full size, reduced size, and enlarged size. Another one is ruler. It is possibly one of the important pieces of drawing tool. It is used to measure lengths and draw straight lines. Next is compass. This drawing instrument is used when drawing arcs and circles. It is used in a similar way to a divider. It is composed of one with a pen leg and a needle point leg, being held together with a handle. This drawing instrument can be used for both penciling and inking. Divider. This is a drawing instrument used when transferring measurements, dividing lines and arcs into the desired number of equal parts. It can easily transfer accurate measurements by adjusting the divider points. Constant correct practice is necessary before doing an actual work for a quick and easy control when used. Protractor. It is a semicircular instrument divided into 180 equal parts, each of which is called a degree. It is used to determine gradations of the degrees when measuring arcs, angles, and circles. High-quality protractor is usually made of plastic. Architectural templates are used when standard symbols are to be drawn repeatedly. Shapes are used as guides for drawing symbols for plans. Erasing shield. This tool is made up of metal with irregular holes. It is a useful tool to protect the rest of the drawing when clearing up smudges, unnecessary pencil lines, and other erasures. Another one is pencil. This is one of the most important tools in drawing. It comes in various grades. The grade of pencil to be used depends on the quality of paper to be used. You have to take into consideration also the type of line work required. Ordinary writing pencils are numbered 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 is the softest. Number 2 is equal to medium lead. And number 3 is the hardest. Drawing pencils are classified into three groups. First, we have hard pencils, numbering from 4H to 9H. As you can see on the picture, the hard pencils from 4H to 9H produce light values of shading. They are used where extreme accuracy is required, especially working on graphs, diagrams, and charts. Pencils numbered 4H to 6H are used by some for line work on engineering drawing, but their use is restricted because the lines are apt to be too light. Second, we have medium pencils, numbering from B to 3H. As you can see on the picture, the medium pencils from B to 3H produce medium values of shading. They are used for general purpose work in drawing. Pencils numbered F, HB, and B are used for technical sketching, lettering, arrowheads, and other freehand work or mechanical drawings, while those numbered from H to 5H are used for line work on machine drawings and other architectural drawings. The H and 2H are widely used in pencil tracing for blueprinting. Lastly, we have soft pencils, numbering from 2B to 9B. As you can see on the picture, the soft pencils from 2B to 9B produce dark values of shading. They are too soft to be used in mechanical drafting. Their use for such work results in smudges and rough lines, which are not distinct and are difficult to erase. They are very useful for artwork of various kinds and for full-size details in architectural drawing. Next, we have drafting materials. The following are the required materials needed in drafting works. First, drawing paper. Various types of drawing papers are available for use, but hard and soft surface drawing papers are highly recommended to be the best. This type does not groove easily when pressure is applied to the pencil. Oslo paper is commonly used, but bond paper is also recommended. Second is tracing paper. It is a thin, transparent paper upon which copies or tracings of drawing are made for the purpose of reproducing them by blueprint or by other similar processes. Tracings may be made in pencil or in ink. Masking tape. This is used for fastening the drawing paper on the drawing table or drawing board because it does not damage the board and it will not damage the paper if it is removed by pulling it off. Eraser. This is used to clean the dirt off the drawing. A soft eraser is advantageous in removing smudges and pencil marks, whereas a harder eraser is useful for marking changes and correcting errors in the drawing. Lastly, we have pencil sharpener. They are essential for sharpening pencils because your drawing cannot be precise if they are not sharp. Pencils should be sharpened whenever they show sign of dullness. Now let's find out if you really understand our lesson for today. I will show you the different pictures of drafting tools and materials. All you have to do is to give the name of each drafting tools and materials. Class, are you ready? Okay, let's start. What is the name of this drafting tool?
Ma'am, it is a roller.
That's correct. How about this object?
Ma'am, it is a drawing paper.
Very good. How about this one?
Ma'am, it is an erasing shield.
That's great. What is the name of this drafting tool?
Ma'am, it is a compass.
Amazing. How about this object?
Ma'am, it is an eraser.
Correct. How about this one?
Ma'am, they are pencils.
Very good. How about this object?
Ma'am, it is a fixed T-square.
That's great. How about this one?
Ma'am, it is a triangular scale.
Amazing. How about this object?
Ma'am, it is a tracing paper.
Correct. How about this object?
Ma'am, it is an architectural template.
Very good. Very good, class. All your answers are correct. Now, what is the importance of drafting tools and materials in making a plan or design of a house or building? Drafting tools and materials are important in making plan or design of a building because they help us to make an accurate and legible design of your plan. They also make our work easier and faster. I guess everyone is now ready for a short quiz. Prepare one full sheet of paper. Directions. Read and understand the questions carefully and choose the best answer. Write the letter of your answer on your paper. I will give you 30 seconds to choose your answer. Okay, your 30 seconds timer start now. Are your answers correct? Amazing! For your assignment, please copy this on your assignment notebook. That's all for our lesson today. See you on our next video lesson. And don't forget to remember this. Always pray to God and always keep yourself safe all the time.